Gomti Shankar, a city-bred corporate bigwig. Her journey from her plush apartment to this small village, she's here to spend a day on this farm.
चरी कटवानी है खेत से, फिर वो यहाँ लेके आएंगे हम, उसको यहाँ गंडासे पे कटवाना है.
The corporate honcho has rolled up her sleeves and is literally fighting it out in the arena.
चोट तो ना लगी है? चलो चलो उठाओ जल्दी चलो.
This right here is a dream come true. I've driven an SUV in the city and driving a tractor is completely different. It's so much more fun than city riding.
चप्पल आप उतार कर ट्रैक्टर पे रख देंगे यहीं. आप अब नीचे पानी में उतर जाइए.
First thing was, how am I going to enter this muddy water without, falling, slipping, or, getting completely wet and muddy myself. And they were all giggling amongst each other, wondering who's landed up here, completely not dressed for the occasion.
जड़ पकड़ नीचे लगाओ जहाँ तक आपका हाथ जाता है. ये है लगाने का तरीका. जहाँ आप एक लगा रहे हो वो दो लगा रही है, तो आप गैप ज़्यादा छोड़ रही हो.
Gomti is instructed by Chaudhary ji on how to plant the saplings. Someone who is used to being the one giving out orders is taking all the orders in the right spirit.
मैडम आप उनको सबको छोड़ दो, आप वहीं. आप इधर से आ जाओ वापसी. आप एक गुच्छी लेके और उधर उस कोने पे पहुंच जाओ.
What you sow is what you reap. Gomti had finally started enjoying the process of sowing when Chaudhary ji's twist to the first task came as a surprise to her. She realized that she would have to now work all by herself without any help.
Solo in the field, I felt that my speed decreased. There was no camaraderie around me. I suddenly felt that all the elements of nature, like the sun, was beating down on me, which was much harsher than before.
मैडम आपने जो करा था वो तो पास हो गया. अभी आपको चरा काटना है, तो मैं दनाती मंगवा रहा हूँ. दनाती लेके आप मेरे पीछे पीछे आ जाओ वहाँ चरी के साथ. अभी मैं आपको ये चरी काटनी सिखाऊंगा. अच्छा इसमें डबल फसल है. एक इसमें अरहर का पेड़ है, एक है ज्वार का. इस ज्वार का पेड़ हमने काटना है और विद घास. अरहर का पेड़ नहीं करना चाहिए.
This is arhar ki dal. You have to be damn careful you don't cut this one, because this one is damn expensive. This is something that I need to cut.
So what struck me was the second task was not as easy as the first task. This involved a little bit of physical strength and a lot of endurance.
The task just seems to be getting tougher and is testing Gomti's endurance.
इसको थोड़ा सा सीधा रखो पेड़ को. इसको जो है ना इसको सीधे रखो. पांच गड्डी 1 घंटे में कटनी चाहिए. आपको 4 काटनी है. स्पीड बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी.
While doing the task, sweat was pouring from my head, forehead, and going into my eyes. My eyes were really burning, and but I went on doing what I was asked to.
मैं आधा घंटे में आ रहा हूँ और आप 3 गड्डी काटिए फटाफट।
Second task, which was seemingly unending, I was just wondering when it will end, and suddenly the host, Chaudhary ji, came back.
मैडम क्या कर दिया ये? एक किसान का काम अगर इस तरह होगा तो उसके पशु भी भूखा मरेंगे और वो भी भूखा मरेगा। कैसे काम चलेगा ही नहीं। इसमें आप वैसा फेल हो गए आप। तो आप ये मान लो कि आपके बस की बात नहीं है ये।
यार कट रहा है तो बिगो हो रहा है।
At the end of the task too, there was another person from the village who came to help me, but just started ranting and raving about we are incapable, which I found a little strange because I didn't know this person at all.
ये काम अपना दोबारा करना पड़ रहा है। अभी तो काटना पड़ेगा और 4 गड्डी ले जाएंगे। काटना पड़ेगा। तो हेड के पेटे भी जगह पड़े हैं। सारी हेड कटी पड़ी है यार।
1 किलो अरहर का नुकसान हो गया। तो आप इसको रहने दीजिए, आप इसको सीधा करके बंधवाइए।
Usually I'm used to carrying around my own luggage when I'm traveling, or the weight of my laptop. So my shoulders typically are used to carrying that much of weight, but here one had to actually carry 50 kilos on one's head and put it on the buggy. And I was just not used to doing this.
उठा के देखो।
Gomti gives it a try but fails. The pile gets scattered all over.
नहीं हो पाएगा, चोट लग जाएगी। चलो अभी आप इस काम को हम यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। अब दूसरे काम की तरफ चलते हैं। ये मान लो कि मैं फेल हो गई इस काम में।
इस काम के लिए और प्रैक्टिस चाहिए।
ये मान लो मैं फेल हो गई आज।
मैं तो यही मानूंगी कि इस काम के लिए बहुत प्रैक्टिस चाहिए।
बहुत की जरूरत नहीं है। ये काम है लगन से और मजबूरी के काम।
At the end of task 2, our host didn't seem very happy because possibly maybe I didn't come up to his expectation, or he thought that like task 1 I would perform equal to any farmer, but maybe he was a little disappointed, but I didn't feel guilty because I think I had done more than I was capable of under the circumstances.
Chaudhary ji gives Gomti all the details, little tidbits about the operations and daily schedules. Gomti is diligently taking notes.
कितने लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं?
अभी इसमें जैसे अभी धान लग रहा है, ये 6 लोग हैं फिलहाल।
ये लोग कितने बजे आते हैं सुबह?
ये सुबह आ जाते हैं 6 साढ़े 6 बजे।
6:30 बजे आके 7 बजे तक काम करते हैं
लगभग। मैडम अभी जो है दिन ढल रहा है, अभी पशुओं का चारे का भी समय हो गया और दूध का समय हो गया है, तो अभी यही पोस्टपोन करते हैं फिलहाल।
ठीक है।
He said it's time now to go home. I felt like I'm going to my house. After a tough day's work, I'm like actually headed back home. And the vehicle to go home in this case was a boogie ride with a bhains actually leading the boogie. Milk miraculously lands up in our house in cartons or Tetra packs, but for the first time, here I was seeing the process on how it's done.
Which company does Gomti Shankar work for? A. Philips Electronics. B. Sony Electronics. To participate in the contest, SMS your answers to 59995 or log on to www.yourmoneysite.com/theassignment2. Viewers who send correct answers to this question stand a chance to win a cool new Nokia C3 mobile phone.